everyone, welcome back to the channel, Jesse's Timber Revival. Today I'm out here in the bush, and as you guys know, lumber prices are really high, and especially for like specialty woods too are extreme. But I found out here it's just a dead birch was out here, and the problem with birches around here is they usually grow to a certain stage and then they're dead at that stage, like all of them. And they're usually rotten inside, but this one seems to be actually quite good inside. So I've already taken a chunk off of it, one chunk off of it, and sawn it up. But I'm just came out here back out here today, and gonna take another chunk off, just like a 2-foot chunk. Just gonna saw it up on the bandsaw, hopefully get some good lumber out of it. But yeah, so let's get chainsawing. Guys, so I got the log up here by the shop, and it's about a 7-inch log, diameter of 7 inches. But what we're gonna do here first is just square off one side, put the chalk line on, and just try to square it off on the bandsaw. Then I'm probably gonna use the jointer just to make it flat. I'm going to do that for 2 sides, but yeah, so let's get to it. Okay guys, so I got this log square now. There's 2 sides square. But I also set up this, it's just a board that I know is straight. It's just set up exactly 2 inches from the blade. So then I can saw these into 2 inches and just use this as a reference. But yeah, so we'll get to that. Okay, everyone. Well, I got two pieces here that are about 6-inch pieces that I can just trim off the piece of bark with a table saw, one last edge of bark there. But yeah, thanks for watching, and please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.